So as you guys know that today we are having a 1 hour musical with Jan Kumar Sanu, and this is gonna be a fun session. Lot of music, lot of duets, lot of question and answers, and Kumar Sanu sir has been my favorite uh, singer, and today we are doing it with Jan, who is his son, and it's gonna be super fun. We are gonna sing some new songs, old songs, singles. It's gonna be so much fun. आप लोग भी अपना you can suggest any particular song, and it's gonna be cool. Any requests, by the way? Sun Satya, okay. Sun Satya is a good number. सुन साथिया माहिया बरसा दे इश्का दे साहिया. Okay, good. I can manage this. दो दिल मिल रहे हैं is very good choice. दो दिल. This guy is so talented. I'm sure you all will enjoy so much. मिल रहे हैं मगर छुप के ओ सबको हो रही है. लग जा गले तो मुझे इतनी अच्छी तरह से आता नहीं है कि फिर कोई रात हो न हो शायद इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से वो रंग भी क्या रंग है मिलता ना जो तेरे होठों के रंग से. बहू उड़ी जो खन के हाथ में याद पे आके आने लगी हर भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Yeah. So you tell her hi, tell her I said hi. And she was singing Lagja Gale before, right? Wasn't she
Yeah.
singing Lagja Gale?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, you heard.
I heard her. Yes, my mom is also an awesome singer. I heard her singing Lagja Gale and she sang it really well. Tell her that because
Yeah.
she sang it really, really nicely. I heard her.
You join me and sing with me because I don't know the lyrics. She can sing well. She was an awesome singer. She still is, of course.
Yeah, yeah, same. Even my mom, she's an awesome singer, but they don't like singing in public. I don't know why.
Yeah,
It's
I
sad.
don't know why. And they're like,
Yeah.
you do.
তুমি করো আমি দেখবো. I mean, doesn't work like that, but okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, as I said, I want to be a singer, playback singer like my dad. I need all the blessings and love. And Naira came up with the idea so nicely to do this over Instagram. So this is something awesome. I get to meet you also over video, and I get to interact with a lot of people, and we can have a bit of fun.
Yes, totally.
Yeah.
Let's start with something you would love your audience to hear.
I'll do a duet with you if you are up for it.
Okay, firstly, I want to ask you something. What's the difference do you feel being a brand name already and other colleagues of you who are doing things by themselves? How different does it? How different is your journey? Because everybody asks actors how different is the journey. I would want to know what is the other part.
So basically, as you said, the brand name, the legacy, and the expectations that come along with that is tremendous. It's huge,
Yeah.
and it's overwhelming sometimes because people tend to forget that there's this huge age gap between me and my father.
True.
He started his singing career when he was a properly developed, like a masterpiece, polished diamond singer.
Right.
Who had done his bit, and because of that I've always been in the spotlight more or less because I'm his son. And
Yeah.
basically people look at me when I am learning also, and my mistakes are much much more publicized, and the expectations that people have from me are sometimes they're a bit overwhelming. but then I feel blessed again because it's something of a legacy that gives.
Gives. I'm sorry, I lost you.
I don't know till where did you hear? What did you hear? Which
It's
part did you lose me?
okay. Never mind. Okay, so let's actually start off with the duet. Let me also.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm honestly, I'm nervous to sing in front of you, but
That's not. That's
let's
not.
give it a try.
Okay. So we start with you know the song. So my dad had a very famous romantic. One of his famous romantic songs. He is from this film called Sajan. Do you know about that?
Yes, yes, of course.
So would
Sajan
you?
में which one? मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, great. Let's do that.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Yeah.
कितना इसको समझाता हूँ, कितना इसको बहलाता हूँ, कितना इसको समझाता हूँ, कितना इसको बहलाता हूँ, नादान है कुछ ना समझता है दिन रात ये आहे भरता है मेरा दिल।
कितना पागल है ये प्यार का है मेरा दिल
मेरा
भी
दिल कितना पागल
पागल है
है
ये
प्यार
प्यार तो
तुमसे
तुमसे
करता है
परेशान
परेशान जब तुम आते
आते
हो
हो
परेशान जब तुम आते हो
कुछ भी कहने से डरता है ओ मेरे साजन
साजन ओ मेरे साजन
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 साजन मेरे
मेरे
साजन।
साजन wow wow
Thank you, and you are a fab singer too. I must mention that.
yeah thank you so much
Yes.
I'm just trying to match up to you yeah
But no, I start, to this evening.
yeah you should sing some solo
Solo, okay. What kind of you guys wanna hear something new? You wanna hear something old? What do you wanna hear?
I
I
think
heard someone was you were singing Do Dil before right now. I
you
just heard
heard
that too.
everything why didn't you send me a request then you were nicely quietly listening to me singing very
Yeah, I
nice
was enjoying it. I was enjoying. I was having my fun before I entered the live. So
let's do that why don't you sing Dodil I already did my part
okay, I'm gonna sing Do Dil now. सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी आंखों में कहीं रत जगे कभी कहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे अपना दिल में जरा थाम लूं जादू का मैं इसे नाम दूं बातें कर रही है नजर चुप के हो दो दिल मिल रहे
हैं
मगर
मगर
चुपके
Wow. Wow. You know,
थैंक
Jan,
यू
I have so many requests from fans.
ओके
Do you do you also know these? Do Dil Mil Rahe To kiya hai humne bhi. Do you sing? Do you like Sun Sathiyan?
सुन सादिया वाहिया is this the one?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
तर जाओ तर जाओ दरिया ये तर जाओ रे इश्क ये बातें मैं तेरा निखर जाओ
Yeah, na na na. खड़ी मैं सुन
Yeah, you to sing something.
me. What do you
You
want me
know
to
the
sing?
song I'm gonna ask for because I heard you singing that the other day. So I want you to sing Zara Zara for me.
Okay. Okay. Let's try. जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ जा रे यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे हम यार भीग जाए इस चाहत की बारिश में मेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाए तुम अपनी उंगलियों से मैं तो हूँ इसी ख्वाहिश में सर्दी की रातों में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में हम दोनों तन्हा हो ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में जरा जरा your turn.
Superb, superb.
Thank you.
Bengali can't go wrong with music. We just can't.
Try
Someone
learning a
requested
bit.
Lagna Gale again.
Let's do Lag Ja Gale. I think I should keep it out. But you start.
It's one of my favorite songs forever.
Just sing it.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन रहेगा
People have been asking for it.
तू जो झूठा तो कौन रहेगा तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ आजा लड़े फिर दोनों के लिए तू जीते मैं
मैं
हार
हार
जाऊं आजा करे फिर वही शरारत तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं मीठी सी गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं तेरा यार
तेरा यार.
हूँ मैं ओ तेरा यार हूँ
Woo.
मैं
तेरा यार.
तेरा वीरा You know, you can join in. মা
Yeah.
তুমিও আমার সাথে গাইবে
Yeah,
auntie
yeah,
গাচ্ছিল
definitely.
Naira's mom was singing with her so I thought why not my mom also all four of us sing together
Come, 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 come.
দেখো ডাকছে
My mom is feeling shy. Auntie can come.
even my mom is feeling shy
Why these moms feel shy, यार?
why
हम
do you
लोग के
feel shy
सामने
ma?
भेजते थे खुद शर्मा के बैठते हैं. But mom is saying she will join me. She will sing from the background instead of coming ahead.
तुम भी पीछे से गाओ okay हाँ चलो I also
Yeah.
convince my mom
Done.
our moms
Let's
are
do
working
it.
parallelly हमको मिली घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जाए हसी रात हो शायद लग जाए पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बाहें गले मिला
Whoa.
हमको जार आँखों से इस प्यार बरसात हो न हो फिर से जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Woo! Woo!
Thank you. Ma also sang from the back,
Even my
but she was
mom.
too. नवा न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा
वफादारी की निभाएंगे हम दोनों कसमें एक भी
एक भी साथ जिंदगी
की जब तक हो अभी जब कोई बात बिगड़े जब मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ नवा
तुझे शगुनो song. I think everyone loves this song.
आजा
This is a I you must have heard this song. Let's see. मेरे हालात ऐसे हैं कि मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, तड़पता है ये दिल लेकिन ये आहें भर नहीं सकता, जख्म है हरा हरा और तुम चोट खाने की बात करते हो, आँख है भरी भरी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो.
You got me emotional.
This song is such a song. Ma requested this one. It's one of my favorites.
दिल है कि मानता नहीं.
मेरे दिल में चुन लिया.
Pachu. I'm on na 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 again na fool. I did a TikTok on this, but I don't know how to sing.
No, there is another request over here.
Which one is it?
इजाजत. Please. Go ahead.
Okay. एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत है, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है. एक बात कहूँ क्या इजाजत है, तेरे इश्क की मुझको आदत है. आदत है. It's my own song and I don't know the lyrics of this because the guy sings.
My God. तू ही तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं, आजा रे आजा रे, यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको, जान रे जान रे, इन सांसों में बस जा तू.
आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, गुमसुम मैं अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी. तन तन के घाव पे मरहम हया का, मन का घाव है प्यासा दवा का. तन के घाव पे मरहम हवा का, मन का घाव है प्यासा दवा का. सितम के अंधेरों में सदियों है बिलखी, मासूम भोली वो प्यारी खुशी, घुट घुट के कब तक जीऊंगी सखी, गुमसुम मैं अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी.
नींद है ना मुझे कहीं चैन, जब से तुमको देखा है सनम, क्या कहे कितने हैं बेचैन.
Woohoo! Should sing this because I never remember what's my favorite song. I like this one.
This is damn good. It's from Hamari Adhuri, no?
Yes.
Hamari Adhuri. Someone request.
दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ, हवा की जैसे चलता है तू, मैं रेत जैसी उड़ती हूँ. कौन तुझे ये प्यार करेगा,
Yeah, it's not like that. Now I mean, there's one song over here which I just came through. I think someone's telling you to sing "Phoolon Ka Taron Ka." मैं कहीं या मैं झूल जाऊं घटाओं में कहीं एक कर दो आसमां और जमीन कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं पहला नशा पहला तुम्हारा दरर दरर नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं क्या अपना ऐ दिल बेकरार दिल बेकरार तू ही बता
Whoa! Whoa, whoa! So many hearts.
Wow, you're doing classical stuff, yeah? That's actually impressive. That's amazing. Yeah,
It's actually an easy song, so it was easy to.
I'm telling my mom and my brother, Google करके देखो पति पत्नी एंड वो का बहुत फेमस गाना है. क्या कहे कितने We did पल पल दिल के बाद.
Yeah, we already did Purple Lil Ke Paas. Should sing this because I never remember what's my favorite song. I like this one.
This is damn good. It's from हमारी अधूरी, no?
Yes.
हमारी अधूरी.
दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा की जैसी चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसी उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे ये प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
Yeah, it's not like that. Now I mean, there's one song over here which I just came through. I think someone's telling you to sing "Phoolon Ka Taron Ka." मैं कहीं या मैं झूल जाऊं घटाओं में कहीं एक कर दो आसमां और जमीन कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं पहला नशा पहला तुम्हारा दरर दरर नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं क्या अपना ऐ दिल बेकरार दिल बेकरार
तू ही
तू बता
Whoa! Whoa, whoa. So many hearts.
Wow, you're doing classical stuff, yeah? That's actually impressive. That's amazing. Yeah.
It's actually an easy song, so it was easy to.
कहीं कितने
Sing mom, please. किसी ने मम्मी के लिए गाना डेडिकेट करने बोला है. चलो एक के लिए गाना गाते हैं, then we'll wrap up.
Let's sing a song for mom only and then wrap up.
Yeah.
You know the song from Tare Zameen Par, right?
Uh, let's sing.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं तुझे सब है पता तुझे सब है पता मेरी जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जो दूर से जुदा जुदा मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे सोचूं यही तो आके यूं तो मैं दिलाता नहीं तेरी परवाह करता हूँ तुझे सब है पता तुझे सब है पता मेरी
Woo!
befitting farewell song,
Beauty.
parting.
Beauty, 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 beauty. This was the best out of all the songs we sang. I
Thank
think
you. It
a
was
lot of
fun, yeah.
people connected emotionally, and yeah, tribute to mom
Firstly,
is
Naira,
always.
thank you for doing this. It was amazing. It was a lot of fun,
I know. We should sing
and
more actually. This
we
impromptu
should.
was great.
Yeah, we'll do this. We'll plan out a theme next time, and we'll keep a theme and try doing this again.
Yeah, yeah.
And
That'll be
thank
good
you to
fun.
all of you guys who joined us for listening to us. Like, it was so much fun.
Thank you so much. And for all the suggestions also. It made
Yeah, they
our
were really nice.
evening even more interesting and fun filled. So, chalo guys, time to go.
I have a small little announcement that I want to make, and that's for you also.
Okay.
Firstly, Naira, thanks again for doing this. Secondly, we'll plan this out better. And thirdly, you have got to listen to my song. Go on to YouTube and hear it.
Okay.
I really want you to hear it, and I want all your fans also to hear it.
Surely.
Because I've released my YouTube channel recently.
Okay.
So it's a small little appeal and request from my side. That's all. Like, you guys
Would you
just
send
check
me
it
the
out.
link? Would you
Yeah, I
send me
will
the
do
link?
that. Yes, I
It'll just
will.
make me
And the channel name is Jan Kumar Sanu. It's by my name.
Yes. We'll do that
So
for sure.
you're getting requests even now. I think there are a lot of people.
I
Yeah,
know, but I have a live at 8, so I'll have to
you
hang up
told me. You
just.
told me.
Yeah.
But yes, thanks so much for having me on your live, and thank you so much everyone for listening to listening to me sing. Thank you for the suggestions and everything. It was really awesome.
Yes, we had a great evening. And thank you, fans, for supporting us, for joining
Yes.
us, and loving us so much. Thanks for being there.
Thank you, Naira. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you.
And
And
tell
stay
Auntie
home
she
on
sings
the.
amazing.
Mummy, you sang amazing. Thank you. And so did your mom. Next time she should come along with you.
I'll tell her next time I'll get her. I'll drag her and get her and make her sit here with me.
Auntie Lajja korbe na.
Okay. Auntie লজ্জা করবে না। Auntie লজ্জা করবে না করবো না।
Done, done,
Done.
done. Chalo.
Chalo, take care. Bye.
Take care. Bye, guys. See ya.